Once entered the website, choose the course you want. You will find the course description, overview of each module, and finally they will find the buttons to download the file in PDF or SCORM. This link includes advertising that allows us to continue expanding our platform. Choose the file you want. If you have the ad blocker activated, deactivate it for this page. And you will see various advertisements. You just have to close it every time it appears. And at the end you will be able to download the file. You open it, and that's it. They already have the full course, totally free.